Una well done, my people. Una good day, una good evening, una good morning, una good afternoon, wherever you're watching from, wherever you are. You see, the matter we did down for Nigeria today, now we can't still put for ground again. Now we will there abroad can't still put for ground. We can't still pull out, say, this matter must go on. This protest of 18 must go on. Must go on. Because if we not do this protest, we not let our voice come out. We not let them hear our voice. We not let this incapable government hear our voice. We not go fit move that country forward. That country, Nigeria, not go fit go forward. That country, Nigeria, now backward, now you go they go. Our Oga Sowore announce a protest date. Announce a protest date to let them know that they are not doing well. Make them know say they know they do well. Make them know say they know they do the right job where they supposed to do for that nation. Make them know say that they powerless, that they senseless to rule that country. They no fit do the job where they give them, where we the masses vote them in to do. Where we the people vote them in to do, they no fit do am. Today we dey get the problem of insecurity, killing everywhere. They kill people like cow. They kill people like goats. They kill our people like say na meat wey they slaughter. That one not fair. It not fair. Now make Sowore come and say this must stop. It must stop. Because of that one, and they arrest him on Friday. They arrest him because of the cabal we get for Nigeria. Because Africa is a nation where the masses not fit talk out, where the people not fit voice, where the government they use oppression, they follow us, where the government, because of the money where they steal, because of where they sit down put, because of their incapability to rule us, the security where they supposed put for road, put for community, put for other places to guide and protect the civilians, they go use them. They fight the innocent people where they speak their voice out. It's not fair. Now make we say come out say we will be abroad. We still get voice. We need to let them know that they are not doing their job because our economy, they contribute to that economy by 35% yearly. Yearly, 35% with no profit. We know they get anything out of them. We they give, but we know they get back from that government. They talk say, may they build that nation for us where, because if our children come back home, they will see where they lay themselves. They will see where they put their head. They will see where they stand. May this old cabal not destroy that nation for us. May these old people not come to destroy that nation for us. Because we are the children of tomorrow. We are the people of tomorrow. Because our children, they're there. And I'm not surprised because of many celebrities are not speaking out. Many celebrities are not speaking out because they are also guided by the cabal. Then they said they chop from the cabal. Then they chop from the cabal because now the cabal, most especially the comedians, most top comedians, we're supposed to voice out, we're supposed to talk, they use their platform, they talk, they speak the truth to the government that they are not doing right. Because of all those people, now they patronize their party, now they patronize their show, they know they talk. They go shut up. Because now this cabal, now they patronize them, now they buy their table of 10 million, now they buy their table of 1 million, they know they talk. Shame on to you. Shame on to you. Now the thunder we go fire una for that Nigeria. All those celebrities, all those people where no one talk, where get power, where get that platform to speak out, to voice out the truth. Now thunder we go fire una. Thunder we go fire una, since una no dey use una platform dey tell people, dey tell those governments say what they are doing is bad. What they are doing is bad because na dem dey patronize una party, na dem dey patronize una show, una no dey gree dey talk. Una no dey gree dey use una voice out to dey talk say these things you guys are doing is bad. Now they arrest Sowore. We are saying now, you people should free Sowore. Sowore in the prison or not in the prison, we are ready to continue the protest. We are ready to continue the protest. We are ready till you get to hear our voice, that our voice is number one. Because we put you there. We put you there. And so many people wey dey think say na Buhari idea to arrest Sowore, na lie. No be Buhari idea to arrest Sowore. Now the oppositional party, now those APC people, na I do am. Na I connive, come put Buhari for the middle. Those wicked people wey we get, those wicked politicians wey we get, this is the problem of Africa, that we will never move forward. Because why? Whenever we want to speak the truth, instead of the government using that power or using our voice, listening to our voice and using the words that we speak out to guide the people to do the right job, that we use that voice to fight us when we tell them the truth. They can use the voice to fight us when we tell them the truth. Now the police wey they put for Lagos today, wey they put for everywhere, that police supposed to be in the community, supposed to be in local government area, supposed to be in highway, protecting those masses where they travel, protecting those people where they come out, where Abram by the attack, where Fulani made the attack, where criminals they attack for road. Now instead of them to put those people for road to protect our civilians, they put them against us when they protest, when they tell them say enough is enough for their incapability to rule the nation. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. This government must go home. If they can't do that nation right, they should step down. They should step down. They should step down and go home. It is not their father's house. The government not belongs to anybody. It belongs to each and every one of us. Each citizens of Nigeria. And now we, the African Action Congress, say enough is enough, and we are taking it back. We are taking it back. It is time for us to take it back, to take that nation back. How we going to stay for country where insecurity, fear no go let us go house, fear no go let us travel, fear no go let us even go our farm, fear no go let our children go school? That one a nation? That will not be nation. That one will not be nation. Not to talk about the rest where they happen. We don't get road, we don't get lights, we don't get infrastructure. And when there is no light in a country, when there is no infrastructure in a country, there will never be an investment. No foreigners will come that country, come invest. No foreigner will ever come lay their company for that country. And that country not ever they grow. Because why? The government are not doing enough to protect and to provide those things for the people. Today we are talking of insecurity in Nigeria. Insecurity. We have less than 200 million Nigerians and we have less police. And for this, if you are a police, a Nigerian police, you are listening to me. You are listening to me. We are doing this for you and for your family. Because your family safe. Some of them are civilians, like us. Some of them will be uniform men. Even your children, now you not be uniform men. They be they see they suffer the same thing what they suffer. So if they follow the cabal, they take instruction from the cabal, they oppress the people, they oppress the masses, they oppress the civilians. You are a fool. You are a fool because we are fighting for you. We are fighting for you. We are even fighting for them to increase your salary. We are fighting for you. So you better take heed of what we are saying. Not follow the cabal. Not oppress the people. with your power. No, not oppress the people with your power. Never you oppress the people because you wear uniform. They oppress the people with your power. No, because the cabal they eat for your head, and they will put you for their front. They will put you for front to go protect them, and you go do. You be fool. You be fool. You be fool. You go there. You go shoot tear gas for top of our eyes. You go there. You go shoot gun. You go shoot. You be fool because we the masses they fight for you. We dey fight for a better Nigeria. You, if you are a police, if you dey stay better house, government dey pay for your accommodation. You no go happy. You no go happy. If you no dey stay for that barracks where they dey stay, where be say everywhere dirty. You no go happy. You no go happy. That is why we need a restructuring Nigeria. We need a revolution in Nigeria. We need a restructuring Nigeria. We need to upgrade our security system. We need to upgrade our security system, not continue to create security forces, unnecessary security forces all over without restructuring the body, without equipping the body. You know? And this is what we want in Nigeria, restructuring that nation, making that nation become brighter than ever. My people, if you dey listen to me and listen to every other platform where they speak the truth like us, where they tell Nigerians and the government say yes, it is time to take it back. It is time to take it back. We are taking it back. We are taking it back. Sowore dey inside prison, not the prison. We they stand for Sowore and we say release Sowore, release Sowore, release Sowore because he has done nothing wrong. He has done nothing wrong. He has the right to speak the truth. He has the right to motivate the youth to protest, to tell the government that they are not doing their job. We get the right to speak our voice, to make people hear, say, we dey suffer, we dey die, we dey die. Is it a crime for person to cry out, say food dey choke am? It no be crime, say make person dey cry out, say food dey choke am, say you need water to drink. No be crime. No be crime. No be crime. We are saying enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. For insecurity in Nigeria, that country belongs to us. It does not belong to the government. It does not belong to the cabal. It does not belong to anybody. It belongs to each and every indigenous of Nigeria. So why one person could just sit down for there? The cabal where they rule us since 1970 still dey there till today. Totally mess. Now total mess. Total mess. And all other African countries, they look up to Nigeria. They look up to Nigeria. They look up to Nigeria. They look up to that nation. They look up to that nation. So my people, wetin I want talk, the main key point where I want talk. Now, make we come out, we the youth, most especially. We the youth, most especially, make we come out, make them hear our voice. Make them know, say, it is time for them to change. It is time for them to make that country a better country for us to stay, to live in. Even for our children, even not for us, for our children, when they grow up, they come. So that they will feel good, they will feel know, they will feel get country where they call their country, Nigeria. They play us like ball for each and every country. Each and every country where Nigerians say they play us like ball, they look us like rubbish, they look us like shit. Because why our governments are not doing enough. A lot of us, they die for desert, they die for sea. Because why our governments are not doing enough. And we get the resources, we get everything it takes to go forward. To build that nation. Why are we suffering? Why are we suffering? Now, this government are bring into the nation insecurity. For the past 30 years, Nigeria has never been worse as it is now. Nigeria never be like this. For the past 30 years, Nigeria never be like this. Insecurity never did Nigeria like this. Where everybody they die, where people they die like cow, people they die like goats. People they die like goats. Any of my person they travel, now I go to fear. I no go get us of mind. I no go get us of mind because I dey fear say they go attack them. We are saying enough is enough. We are taking it back. We are taking it back. If you are watching me for the first time and if you are coming in for the first time, we are saying, I'm talking about Nigerian insecurity. And today is August 5th that they protest in Nigeria. They protest for Nigeria. They protest for Nigeria. And the police, we suppose they, our community, our highway, they protect the masses where they travel. They protect the people where they travel. They protect the people where they inside farm. They busy. They drive us away. Where they tell them the truth. That they busy. They obstruct us from not telling them, from not protesting. Why Africans go be like this? Why be say na only Africa? Now be say they no fit talk. We, the masses, no fit talk. We, the youth, we no fit voice out. They go beat us, they go kill us, they go jail us. We no fit talk our truth. We no fit tell them say, Papa, what you they do no good oh. Our government, what you they do no good oh. We no fit tell them. We no fit. Now only Africa, now that thing they happen. And I see also say those celebrity where we say they get better platform, where they for people speak out, where they for people tell the nation the truth, where they for people speak out, join us protest, and those celebrities will not really come out. Now turn that way go fire una, turn that way go fire una, turn that way go fire una, turn that way go fire una. Because why una they chop from the cabal then? Una na the cabal now they buy una table, now they buy table of 10 million naira. Because if una no una voice out, they no come and show again. And I'm calling of you, I'm calling, I see there's some people who still they right, where still they do things right, where still they do things right. So many celebrities they do things right. And so many where say they get better platform, they know they talk at all. Now God go punish you now. Now God now go punish you now. If you are a celebrity, you are watching me and you are not saying anything, you are not contributing to the protest, to the voice of the masses. Now God now go punish you. Now God now go punish you. Now endorsement now go kill you. I'm telling you, we are telling you the truth. If you are a celebrity and you are not joining the protest, you are not joining the voice of the people, now thunder might go fire you. That's why I talk and reach. That's why I talk and reach. Any celebrity where they watch me, you know say you know they join the voice of the people. You know say you don't get the voice of the people. We not tell you say make you join AAC. We not tell you say make you join any party. But voice house, let the government know say they need to do what they're supposed to do. Let the government know say they know they do what they're supposed to do. Let them know say they are not doing their job. They should step down. They make them go house. Make them go house. Make them go stay. They are incapable of taking Nigeria to the greater place we want. You know? And this is the truth. Oh, now truth be this. Now truth be this. Now truth. Now truth. Now we dey talk. Make we take am back. Make we take this government back from this irresponsible government we will get. Make we take that seat back from this irresponsible cabal we will get. We no be stay again. May our forefathers they rule us. We no fit stay again. May our forefathers they rule us. E no fit work. E no fit work. May they still use the old system they rule us. E no fit work. Now new generation we dey. New generation. New generation. Now we dey. So I beg my Nigerian youth, anywhere una dey, abroad, home, anywhere, South American, every other continent, all the 5 continents, anywhere una dey, make una share this video. Let am reach, or rather, use your voice too, use your platform to speak out. Make them know say yes, we don ready for them. Make them know say yes, we don ready for them. Abeg, na beg we dey beg. Make all of us wake up now, because if we no wake up now, it go be too late. It go become late. It go be too late for us. We no go fit do anything again. We no go fit do anything again. And at this our forefathers now go still dey rule us. They go still dey there. No be say that they win the election because of Kabah dey there. They go thief the election. They go print all the paper, all the paper come out for their own inside their room with their family, with their brothers. My brothers and sisters, if you get any platform where you fit this voice out, speak out too. Let them hear your voice. Let them hear your voice. Let them know, say, yes, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are taking it back. No matter where you are, use your platform. Use your voice to speak that. Speak, tell them, let them know, say, Nigeria no belongs to one person. It no belongs to one family. It no belongs to Kabah. It no belongs to Kabah. Let them know, say, Nigeria no belongs to Kabah. So may they know say Nigeria no belongs to Kabah, my people. May they know say Nigeria no belongs to Kabah. Nigeria na our own. Na me and your own. Na me and your own. I'm coming. Nigeria na me and your own. Na me and your own. Now your children own and my children own. Now your family own and my family own. And as it belongs to me, so it belongs to every other 200 million Nigerians. Not be for one person. Not be for one family to the rule to sit down for that throne. To sit down for that throne. Not be for one family. It's time for us to let them hear our voice, to speak out. It's time for us to speak out. To let them hear our voice. To let them hear our voice. So, the matter na insecurity. Insecurity in Nigeria is enough for us to voice out. It's enough for us to speak the truth, to let the government know that they are not doing enough. They should restructure our security system. They should restructure our security system. May they give our police equipment, right equipment to move and to work. May they recruit more police to the system. We get the resources to do them. We get what it takes to do those things, to provide the right equipment for our police system. So that we no go dey fear again, so that protection go dey our communities and our house, with go dey even the state, our highway, our border. If security dey, this ex-men wey dey kill, they no go dey kill. If security dey, armed robber wey dey rob people, kidnappers no go dey kidnap. They no go dey kidnap. Because why? Our police wey we get, they are corrupt because they no dey pay them well. And I no blame them. I no blame them. I no blame them. Police go dey receive 27,000 naira. Police go dey receive 22,000 naira. E no reach where that 22,000 naira for my son's shoe. My son's shoe. E no even reach one pair of my son's shoe. E no reach one pair of my son's shoe. That is why Sowore he proposed minimum wage of 100,000 naira, and this government refused to bring it. Minimum wage of 100,000 naira should be enough for the police. Somebody proposed minimum wage of 100,000 naira, and this government refused. They went to put it in 30,000. What is 30,000 naira one bag? Where bag of rice na 16,000 naira? Police no go pay us rent. Police no go pay us rent. Police no go eat. Police no get family. So if you are a police, you are listening to me, and you are still using your power against the youth, against the masses, you are a fool. You are a fool. You are a fool. You are a fool. Because why? We are fighting for you. We are fighting for you. We are fighting for the betterment the betterness of your life. So this is what I have to say. Restructuring the Nigeria police, restructuring Nigeria system of security will be the best for us. And we are telling the cabal to go home. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. It's time for the youth. It's time for the youth. It's time for the people who go school. Na time where people wey go school go come rule us, not the people wey not even go secondary school where they go to buy results. You know? Where they go to buy WAEC results. We sweat to do our WAEC. Our SSC, we sweat till right time. God bless you. Share my message. My page na Greater Naija. I remain yours. Sincerely, Ode. Thank you. God bless you.